So let's get over to primary keyword harvesting. So what are primary keywords? Now, I also call these keywords topical keywords. So I'll either be using primary keywords or topical keywords in this course. So as a business owner, I want to believe that the major reason why you have a website is to use it to get more sales, to get clients, to get customers, to get leads, to patronize your business, or to get traffic to just come over to read your articles. Now, to achieve this, you will have to use the power of content marketing to do so. This is the reason why you want to make sure that one of the pages of your website that you will have to really take a very good care of is your blog page. Now, everything I'll be saying here also apply to you if you probably are a blogger and you don't really have a business other than just blogging. In this case, your blog will be your business, right? So why will you need your blog page? It's simple. The primary way you will use in getting traffic to your website, of course, is by writing and publishing articles which aim to solve the problem of your business or blog niche. Okay, now of course you could also get traffic to your website from your home page, but your blog or your content are going to be the more than 90% means by which traffic is going to come to your website. If that is the reason why, if you don't have a blog page or you don't have blog active on your website is not going to rank for traffic. That is as basic as it is. Okay, so now solving problem could come in as probably you are trying to entertain your visitors, you're answering their questions, you're giving outright solutions to their problems, you're informing them about their query, letting them know how your business can help them, you are showing them description of your physical location of your business, or just anything at all. It all depends on your kind of business or the strategies you want to use in getting them to buy from you, right? Now, your content will obviously have to address each of these problems that you want to solve. So we have two goals here. Number one, we want to write content that solves problems in our niche market, and two, we have to write articles that will bring in a good number of traffic to our website by easily ranking on the top of Google search. If your content is great and nobody is seeing it, then it's just a waste of effort. So here, the main topic or title of your article is what I call your primary keyword or your topical keyword, or what I call the main keyword. So let's say that I'm a dentist, for instance, and I want to help people prevent recurrent tooth decay, for instance. So I decided to write an article on a topic, tooth decay. Then tooth decay will be my primary keyword. Okay, so why primary keyword harvesting here? It's simple. There is a rule you must adhere to when you want to write a new content, and this rule is never write what you think is beneficial to your niche market. Rather, you want to write about what your niche traffic are already searching for on Google, and then you can add information about what you think is beneficial to them within that article. So now, I know that this may contradict what is already in your mind. Now, you want to write topics that you think is going to help your people, right? You want to write topics that that your traffic or your niche market will really love to see, and probably to help their health, or to help them sell more, or it's going to help them, it's going to entertain them more. That is your own idea. But in digital marketing, you don't want to do that. The truth is that for every niche market, there is always a trending topic, and a trending topic is a topic that traffic will always gravitate toward. Okay, so if in your mind you think topic A is going to be very good for your niche market, but it is topic B that is trending, or it is topic B that your traffic are already showing interest in, then you want to ditch topic A and go for topic B. If you want to write on what you think is good, then I'm sorry, you are going to be the only one to read it. If you want people to read your topic, then you have to write about topic that is already interesting and people are already flowing towards in your niche. So at the end of the day, you want to make sure that you write about topics that your audience are already interested in knowing about, which is what we call volume of search in Ubersuggest. And you also want to make sure that you write on topics that will be easy for your website to rank for on Google, which we will call search difficulty in Ubersuggest. So that is exactly the reason why we need to carry out a thorough keyword harvesting to get primary keywords with high volume and easy search difficulty. Please, if you did not get this right, I want you to rewind this video and listen to that again, because this is very important to us if you are really aiming at getting 20k plus traffic to your website within the next few weeks. So let's begin our keyword harvesting steps. Step 1 is what I call the competitor spine. Now, what is the idea behind competitor spine? Now, irrespective of how big or small your business or your blog is, there is a competitor of yours somewhere who is currently doing much better than you. If you're making money in thousands, then there is another business in your industry making the same money in multi-millions. And if you're making money in millions, of course there is somebody somewhere making it in billions, right? Some of us already know a few of our competitors. In fact, we already follow them on their social handles and we even know their website. But I also understand that some of us have not been doing that before now. So the idea here is that if your big competitors are making a lot of money or getting several thousands of traffic to their website and are ranking top on Google search in your market, then they must be doing some things that are right? Then they must be using some secret to push up their website on Google search while they are pushing down your own website. They must be writing on certain topics that is getting a lot of traffic to them from Google and other search engines. Also, they must be doing some things that Google love and it's making Google push them right in front of us when people come to Google to search for the same business or topic that we are all competing for in our business space. So let's say I am in the health niche, for instance, and I want to rank for topics around, let's say, natural supplements. But the bigger natural supplement websites are ranking top and I am lost in the crowd. For me to start ranking top also, I have to research my big competitors in the natural supplement niche and get to know their top secrets. So what you want to do here right away is to have 2 or 3 big websites in your industry. For instance, if I have an e-commerce website and I sell a variety of products to people all around the world, then Amazon.com is obviously one of my biggest competitors. I hope you got that. Now, if you don't know who your biggest competitors are, it's simple. Number 1, just head over to Google and type in a major term or keyword in your industry. So for example, if you're a natural health blogger, your major keyword could be something like natural health. If you are a marketing agency, yours could be something like effective marketing. If you're into weight loss niche, for instance, yours could be paleo diet, and so on and so forth. Hope you got that. So for this video, let's use an hypothetical industry. Let's say digital marketing. So once I search for digital marketing, I will just come over to the first 1 to 3 top results on Google search and open them in a new tab. Obviously, these are my biggest competitors. Alright, so once I open these 3 websites in a new tab, all I need to do now is to head over to Ubersuggest. So I want to assume that you have your Ubersuggest opened already. Alright, so the first thing I want to do right here is that I will come to this very first page, which we have here, patel.com. Okay, so this is an example of one of the pages that opened up for me. So what you want to do here is that you want to copy the root URL of this website, not with the extensions. Okay, just copy only the root website. You're going to copy it and then you're going to come to your Ubersuggest here. Okay, so once you're here, you're going to scroll all the way down to your keyword research here. You're going to click on this drop down arrow. Now you come over to keyword by traffic. Okay, you're going to click on that. Alright, so once you get to this point, what you want to do here is that the URL that you just copied from Google page, you want to put it in here, as you can see here. So what we are going to do here is that we want to research this particular website newpatel.com. What we want to research for in this website are, number one, keywords that are bringing traffic to this particular website, okay? And then number two, we don't just want to talk about the keywords that are bringing much traffic to this website. Now, as you're going to see that these keywords have different attributes. Okay, let's go over to it so that I can show you in real time. But before you do that, you want to come in here and make sure that you choose the country that you're focusing your attention on. All right, so there are so many countries here. You can choose. If you are focusing on a particular country, all you need to do is just to search for that country and choose it here. But for the sake of this particular tutorial, I'm going to be going for the United States. Feel free to choose any country of your choice. Okay, so I'm going to do that. And another thing you can do is that you can research between countries, because the result will not always be the same. So for example, after researching for the United States, I can also come back here and research for the United Kingdom under the same the same topic, under the same URL. Okay, so for now, let's do that, and I'm going to click on search. All right, so once I click on search, now you're going to see an interesting data displayed for you here. So let's go over and see what this all looks like.